What is up, YouTube? It is Joey from AJ Kicks, and today I have a sneaker unboxing from Flight Club New York. Alright, so this is the box that these sneakers arrived in. Yeah, nothing too special about it. Just has sealed tape on it. Alright, let's Alright, so off the bat, there is a Nike box. I don't see an invoice, but we'll see. Yeah, so, and, oh, here. So they have like a little thing, but I don't know. It's not really an invoice. So, as you can see,
she try and give me that Wu-Tang. I might let my crew bang. My crew deep in that Wu-Tang. I'm rolling with her. Fuck I'm saying.
So as you can see, these are the Air Jordan brand ones. Yeah, it's a typical Nike box. They have the original stamp here, and then they have the Flight Club stamp here. Alright, so these are the shoes. They come with a Flight Club tag right here, and all it says is, do not remove tag. Please inspect shoes for any defects such as yellowing, scuffs, or stains prior to removing the tag. We will not honor any claims once this tag is removed. So basically it's saying, if anything's wrong with the shoe and you want to return it, you shouldn't be taking this tag off and going in and saying there's something wrong with the shoe because they want you to keep the tag on. Alright, so I'm going to remove these little things. So right off the bat, you can see that there's the Baron. This is the signature to the Baron, I think. And also the 3M laces, which when there's a flash, which I'll probably insert a picture, when there's a flash you can really So yeah, I am a size 8.5, and they only have one of these, so I'm so psyched to that I got to pick these up. So the leather on this is pretty nice. It's not really, we all know JB quality isn't the best, but this leather I'd say is pretty nice. This is a nubuck upper, really nice shoe. They come with an extra pair of laces, so that's pretty nice. Yeah. So that's it for the review on the Air Jordan Baron ones.